The decline of Buddhism in India was a gradual process spanning several centuries, caused by a combination of internal institutional issues, religious assimilation, and external invasions. Initially, Buddhist monastic institutions became detached from the lay public, and the adoption of wealthy, complex rituals eroded their original ascetic appeal. Simultaneously, Hinduism experienced a massive revival through the Bhakti movement, which offered the masses a more accessible and devotional approach to religion. Hinduism also successfully absorbed many Buddhist practices and philosophies, eventually declaring the Buddha to be an avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu, which further blurred the boundaries between the two faiths. Regional and economic shifts dealt a heavy blow to the religion's survival. As ancient urban trading economies disintegrated, the merchant classes, who were historically the primary financial sponsors of Buddhist monasteries, lost their wealth and influence. Consequently, royal patronage shifted away from Buddhist centers as various Indian dynasties began favoring Brahmanical and Hindu traditions. The near-total eradication of Buddhism in the Indian subcontinent was finalized by a series of destructive invasions. Early campaigns by the Huns under figures like Mihirakula resulted in the early suppression and destruction of Buddhist sites in the northwest. The decisive end, however, occurred between the 8th and 12th centuries during the Turkic and Islamic conquests in northern India. Invaders, notably under the Delhi Sultanate, sacked, looted, and destroyed major monastic and educational centers like Nalanda and Vikramashala, slaughtering monks and stripping the monastic communities of their leadership and economic resources. Surviving monks were either forced to convert, fled to neighboring regions like Tibet and Nepal, or migrated to southern Hindu kingdoms capable of resisting the conquests.